Welcome to Leemah's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Moin-Moin. You don't need to use leaves for this recipe, so stay tuned if you'd like to see how to make it. I'm starting off with already peeled beans. I posted a video previously showing you an easy method to peel beans without using your hands, so make sure you check it out. I'll also put a link to the video in the description box below, including the measurements of all the ingredients I use in this recipe. So I'm pouring some water in the bowl and then I'll leave the beans to soak for about 2 hours so it's soft enough to blend. It's been about 2 hours now and the beans are softer and ready to be blended. Soaking the beans will allow the beans to be easily blended and to get a smooth texture. So I'm just putting my beans in the blender now. I'm putting in some red bell peppers to give my Moin-Moin a nice red color, then some Scotch bonnet and onions. I'm adding about 1.5 cups of water so the mixture is not too thick so I don't end up with hard Moin-Moin. Then I'll blend till I get a smooth texture.
I'm done blending now, so it's time to mix in the other ingredients.
So I'm adding some seasoning cubes which are already melted in about 2 tablespoons of water because you don't want to bite into chunks of seasoning cubes. That would be a disaster. I'm following up with some cooking oil,
some salt, a raw egg,
then crayfish. I honestly feel like this is one of the most important ingredients, to be honest. Then I'll mix them all together. You can see that my mixture is not too runny or thick. This will give you the perfect Moin-Moin texture. I like when I put my Moin-Moin in my mouth and it just melts. This recipe does not require any leaves. I'll be using my ceramic ramekins and silicone cupcake molds. I'm just greasing up my ramekins with some cooking oil before I pour in the mixture. So I'm filling up my ramekins with the mixture, but I won't fill them up to the brim because I don't want them to overflow when I add in the remaining ingredients. I'm just adding the remaining mixture to my greased silicone cupcake molds. These are the canned sardines and I've just broken them up into big chunks. I'm putting about 2 to 3 pieces in each ramekins and I'm just making sure that they all go around evenly. Then I've got some sliced boiled eggs, which I'm putting in as well. You can honestly put whatever you want in your Moin-Moin. Sometimes I've made Moin-Moin with corned beef, so it really just depends on my mood. You can put as many or as little ingredients as you want. The choice is truly yours. Guys, I've been eating Moin-Moin elemi meje. That's Moin-Moin with 7 souls for those that don't understand Yoruba. So yeah, you can get creative with the recipe. Steam is what you need to cook the Moin-Moin, so I'm just putting some water in the baking tray so it generates steam in the oven. Then I'll place the ramekins and cupcake molds in the baking tray. As I said earlier, you need to generate steam. So I'm covering the baking tray with the foil paper with the shining side facing me. Then I'll place this in a preheated oven to bake at about 200 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So it's been about 1 hour now and the moi-moi is ready. You can check if it's ready by putting a toothpick in, and if it comes out clean, then it's cooked and ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section what ingredients you like to add to your moi-moi. Thanks for cooking with me. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.